On July 24th, 2021, at approximately 5:58 p.m., officers responded to multiple 911 calls about a vehicle accident with shots fired and a possible carjacking.
There was just a shooting outside in front of my house. It was a black Kia. I don't know what kind of car it is, but it's a black Kia.
Okay. And how many shots did they fire off?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 to 7 shots.
Wherever in Cleveland Avenue, car just hit me, another car in front of me, and the guy's shooting guns. He is walking across Cleveland Avenue towards the Mobile gas station right now, white shirt, black male, probably close to 6 feet tall, 160 pounds.
What kind of car?
Carjacking or what? I can't quite, it's an older model.
Officers responded to the area and with the help of the police helicopter were able to locate the suspect vehicle. 5 Precinct Sergeant Brian Steele, who happens to be the current FOP Lodge 9 president, was driving the lead vehicle and was able to successfully pit the suspect while driving with one hand on the wheel and the other on his patrol rifle.
Cover that, Yeah, good. So right behind you, there was a car, a gray silver sedan going southbound in the alley. It looks like it's going to turn southbound on Cleveland. First. It's got tinted windows and it's moving fairly decently, but you know, like I'll point it out to you. It's going to pass you here in a second. It's like a Sonata or something. It's going to pass you right now. That car with the tinted windows is silver one.
All right, we think this is what, the suspect or the guy who shot in here?
I think that might, I mean, it's a gray sedan and it was going down the alley at a pretty good clip on the east side of, Cleveland.
All right, he's got no tag.
EMS 13 radio. Chopper, he's at like 14th at Hamilton. We're going to go southbound, maybe Lexington.
Having on.
EMS 13 radio, we're standing by, let us know.
Copy.
Yeah, Chopper, this car is not stopping. It's coming out to Cleveland. Cruiser, stop right there. Right, it's going to come right out at you.
Hands! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! I can't see! I can't see in those windows!
All right, get back to the sword. Hands up! Hands up! Put your hands out the window! Around. Back. Get on the shoulder. Keep your hand down, see? Get your hands up! Back!
I hear you! There's kids in the car.
Yes, there's a male in the back seat. Don't shoot that car's kids! Run on that seat!
Hey, let the crowd go!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
You guys literally have no idea what's going on. Just stop yelling. I assure you, nobody cares more about that kid than we do. Just film, stand here, but stop yelling. This vehicle's out of a shooting and a carjacking, so just take a breath and let us do our jobs a second. Okay, yeah, we're concerned too. My heart almost dropped when I saw a kid in that car. But just stop yelling.
everybody in custody in this car down here at Windsor and Cleveland. You can clear everybody else.
That's 5. Whatever 10 you got covered, I'm starting this way. Cleveland 13. This was out of a shots fired carjacking, and then the car didn't stop.
No, I just.
So yeah, I'm just letting you know. Yeah. Is this dude in the back seat? You think? Did she just pick him up?
Carjacking, probably not, but
Do you think he's involved in?
somehow, I mean.
Oh.
We're here. Cleveland 11. Just each tag on the white car is going to be Henry Victor Tom 9518.
What do you want to do here?
Yeah.
Get all these people out of here?
Yep.
I copy. 20 is the vehicle.